What's up, guys? Hey, all this new stuff, this video intro, all off Movovi video editor and Canva. I just did a video on Canva last week, how I use it for business and also could be a part-time hustle for somebody, honestly. So this video right here is kind of gonna be my entry video to this series, Green Rhino Project. The channel, Green Rhino Project, more of the entrepreneur and motivation and just kind of open the eyes for people. I'm really passionate about this, guys. I mean, I came from a dark place in life. I didn't come from a good childhood. I didn't have those role models. The only role models I ever had was role models that were going to land me in jail or dead. So I came from a background that there isn't much out there that seems obtainable with the mindset that I had. And the mindset that I had was kind of, I didn't finish high school. I don't have my diploma. I made a few mistakes in life. And now I'm in the place to where everything out there either costs money or you need some kind of education, go to school for it in order to make it. So everybody in my circle wasn't doing anything positive, and hey, I wasn't looking down on them because I wasn't doing anything positive. But I know if I kept on doing the things that I was doing or evolved in bigger things, I was going to end up behind bars. And growing up the way I did is, it was really, I don't know, I think it was meant to be in a way to where I'm sitting here right now and I'm inspiring people out there that maybe think that there's no hope, right? There's no opportunity for them. And that's it. Maybe they didn't finish high school or, they don't have money to go to college. And I understand that because I was there. But guess what, guys? That's not true. There is a better way, okay? There is a better way. There is a better way than working 2 full-time jobs just to get by. There is a better way than working a full-time job and doing a side hustle that might land you in jail. There is a better way. And what I want to do and what I'm doing here on this channel is kind of highlighting these better ways. Okay? I highlighted my whole journey of starting the carpet cleaning business to where I am now. I mean, if you go back to my carpet cleaning channel, to this channel, actually, was called Green Rhino Carpet Cleaning from the beginning. It was documenting my journey on building my business. And I built my business all the way to where I'm now. And it was the best decision I ever made in my life to start a part-time hustle, carpet cleaning. Okay, and I started out with the bare minimums. I started out with probably a $250 junk machine. Realized that wasn't gonna work. Moved myself up to a portable. Spent about $1,500, I believe, maybe close to $2,000. Realized, all right, I can get it done, but I would look a whole lot more professional if I, saved up or found a way to get a truck mount. And I could be a lot more efficient too. So once I found out that the phone started ringing and I could make that phone start ringing, I knew that, hey, if I put a little credit here, put a little money here, saved up my money and put a little bit on credit, that I'd at least be able to make that payment on an asset, something that's actually going to make me money, than a fancy car to go driving around in, So, hey, I went for it. I went and bought me a used truck mount machine before I even had anything to put into it, guys. I didn't have a van. I didn't have a truck to do that. I bought that truck mount on faith that, you know what? I feel I can make this work. I feel that other guys out there are doing it, so I should be able to do it too. And I kept motivating myself by watching other people's YouTube channels, like Courtney Truman Steamers. That guy right there, man. I don't know if I didn't find his channel, I don't know if I would be here today. You know, just inspired by his success and his growing. So I went ahead and bought that truck mount and started hunting around for a cheap van. Guys, I bought a used van for a little over $5,000 that had a salvage title on it. I spent $5,000 on my used truck mount. While I was putting everything together, buying more tools, I was still using my portable. Until finally I got everything together. And I'll tell you what, best decision I ever made in my life, getting that truck mount. Just going ahead on a leap of faith. And that truck, $5,000 truck mount made me over $250,000. So guys, there is a better way. There is a better way. There's power washing. Power washing, you can get set up for probably $1,000, and you can start making money as a side hustle, and hopefully turn that into a full-time hustle. All right, auto detailing. People are doing it. You know, another small investment. You know, and you can start doing that as a side hustle, and then turn that into a full-time. Listen, guys, once you go full-time and you leave your 9 to 5, you realize you wasted a whole lot of years of your life working for other people. You know, you're building their dreams. Listen, we got to start somewhere. So what I suggest is don't quit your full-time job. Use that job to finance your business. If you got to work 2 jobs for a while to finance your business, do that. But have a goal, figure out what you want, follow that. Follow people on YouTube, you know, people maybe in your community. But a lot of times people in your community, they don't want to share their secrets because they found themselves a pot of gold, but they don't want to share it because they don't want you to take any gold out of their pot. You know, I'm just the opposite. I love inspiring people because, you know what, if anything, I've helped people change their life to make a decision, to make that first step, because if I can do it, you can do it. I truly believe that, because it's very hard for me to believe that your mind state is hopeless, or more hopeless than what mine was growing up. I don't know, I'm not going through my life story, but just a little touching on a little, you know, touching base here and there, and just kind of letting you know the mindset I had. And this channel right here is going to highlight opportunities for you guys to start a part-time hustle, turn that into a full-time income, and look back and say, wow, man, best decision I ever made. I'm going to cut this one short. If you like this type of content, hit that like, subscribe, comment. It helps with the algorithm and YouTube. Helps YouTube to recommend me to more people out there. And with recommendations comes more subscribers, more ears, and more, I don't know, lives that could be changed. You know, I mean, it sounds crazy, but I get emails all the time, people thanking me, and me, hey, I'm honored. All right, so we'll see you in the next one.
What we do, we got nothing to lose. No faith in like a gallon of booze. Now I'm sitting in a jail cell. Family's broke as hell, so yeah, no bail. I guess my teacher was right. I make a mess of my life, but I'm not seeing no light. All I'm seeing is fight. I guess it is what it is. Ever since I'm a kid, I'm kinda thinking I'm cursed. I'm really thinking I'm cursed. Thank God I finally found a better way. Thank God I finally found a better way. Thank God I finally found a better way. Thank God I finally found a better way.